गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज कल्याणी. चला इंग्रजी शिकूया. या अंतर्गत माझी मैत्रीण ममता आणि साक्षीने एक कॉन्व्हर्सेशन तयार केलं आहे. तर चला आपण त्यांनी कसं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन तयार केलं आहे ते बघूयात.
Hello, what's your name? My name is Sakshi. And your name? My name is Mamta.
Oh, Mamta is so beautiful name.
Thank you, Sakshi. Sakshi, what is your father name?
My father name is Krishna.
Sakshi, what is your brother name?
My brother name is Karthik. And your brother name?
My brother name is Roshan.
Oh, Roshan is so beautiful name.
Thank you, Sakshi. Sakshi, what is your sister name?
My sister name is Meenakshi. And your sister name?
My sister name is Sakshi.
Oh, Sakshi is beautiful name.
Thank you, Sakshi. Sakshi, how many sisters do you have?
I have one sister. And your sister do you have?
I have one sister.
Oh, same too.
Sakshi, how many brothers do you have?
I have one brother. And your brother do you have?
I have one brother.
Oh, same too.
Sakshi, how old is your brother?
My brother is 11 years. My brother is 10 years old.
Sakshi, how old is your sister?
My sister is 8 years old.
Thanks.
छान, तुम्ही चांगला प्रयत्न केलाय. आणखी पुढचं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन तुम्ही असंच करायला हवं. मला आनंद वाटला तुमच्या ह्या कृतीनं पाहून. ठीक आहे.